this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a VM inside of Google Cloud Console. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to console.cloud.google.com and then log into your organization. From here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go down to products down here, and the first one should be called create a VM to start creating a VM. Once you click on that, it should be looking something like this right here. From here you'll be able to see Compute Engine API, and from here you'll simply need to click Enable. This can take approximately a couple minutes depending on how fast your internet is, so just keep that in mind. Now from here you'll be able to see that the API has been enabled, and here you'll need to either click Manage or you'll need to go up to the navigation menu and then click Compute Engine, and then you'll need to find VM instances right here on the virtual machines. Once you get inside of VM instances, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go up to Create Instance to create a new VM. From here it should look something like this, where you'll be able to add in the machine configuration, and from here you'll be able to add in a name, the region, and the zone. From here you can also generate the type of suggestion with Gemini if you want to do that, and you can go down and see the general purpose if you want to do that. From here you'll also need to make sure that the monthly estimate will be about $25 or 3 cents an hour. From here you'll simply need to click Create Instance, and once you do that, it should be going inside of the VM instance down here, where you'll be able to see the name, zone, recommendations, in use by, internal IP, external IP, and the connect. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!